Today on Nailed It Projects, we are going to make planting baskets for potatoes, so you don't have to, bend over and pick them up. I seen this on TikTok, so I figured I'll try it. The lady on TikTok used a closed basket. It was about that tall, so about 2.5 milk crates. I figure I'll use 3 milk crates, but what I'm gonna do is cut the insides out. See, I started in this one, and I'm gonna use my ever so helpful free pallets and screw from the inside. I'm gonna use 3 pieces to hold it together, and just fill with leaves, dirt, mulch, all the way to the top. Then I'm gonna stick my potato up here and see how it transpires. So I'm gonna cut the pallet up, and when I get home, start putting stuff together, fill them with dirt. Everything I'm doing here in the backyard is kind of integrated. This is going to be somewhat portion of making these beds, and also preparing this area for potatoes. He's gonna say potatoes. That ground is hard as heck. Alright? But just watch. Watch. A lot of things I do here conventional. Some people may not agree with it. See, what I'm doing is risky, and sometimes it is. So you know what? I do what I can with what I have. That's why, even though we should teach our kids to garden, the videos I make are not for kids. And I'm about to show you here in about 30 seconds. Y'all ready? Those 4 baskets are about to become 2. And yes, I just did that. Why? Because these are potato baskets. They got too high. And they also are going to double as my hose stopper going around the beds. I do not suggest anyone at home do what I just did. It's very dangerous, unless you're professional with a circular saw. So here you have it, my potato planting crates, literal milk crates. All I did was cut the bottom out of them, used pallet, again, the use of pallets, and screwed 3 corners on the inside to hold them together. You can use zip ties if you want to do that, and fill them with dirt like I did over here. And I'll show you what to expect. This is my giant sweet potato. When I say giant, the potato that this came from was about 14 inches long and about 6 inches in diameter in the middle. So yes, I'm gonna go pick up some more sweet potato slips next Wednesday, and they'll be going in here, and you guys get to see the progress as we go along. Question? Never mind. So that'll be it for the potato planting baskets here on Nailed It Projects. I appreciate you guys as always. I can't do this without you. And if you're learning something, please drop a comment. Let me know. If there's something that you'd like to see me do, leave a comment. Want to keep it between us? Send me an email. All right? But we're coming together. We are slowly coming together. Hopefully, there'll be a video of potatoes getting planted along with other vegetables. Love you guys so much, and please come back for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.